Meet the meerkat. Desert dwellers with a cooperative spirit. They're not just cute, they're smart and resourceful too. Did you know meerkats are superb babysitters? Yes, adults take turns caring for the young ones. They're also great housekeepers. Meerkats maintain their burrows by removing unnecessary dirt and debris. Meerkats are exceptional lookouts. They take turns standing guard to warn others of approaching dangers. They love the sun. Meerkats often bask in the sunlight after waking up from their burrows. Meerkats communicate through complex vocalizations. They share locations, alert about danger, and more. Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more.